Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I am going to show you a very quick and simple way to type meters squared in Microsoft PowerPoint. Whether you are working on a science presentation or a math project, this little trick will save you time. We will cover two easy methods: the standard menu option and a lightning-fast keyboard shortcut. Let's start with method 1. First, open your PowerPoint slide. Go to the Insert tab at the top menu, select Text Box, and click on your slide to place it. Now, simply type the letter M, followed immediately by the number 2. Next, use your mouse to highlight just the number 2. Go up to the Home tab. In the Font section, look for the small diagonal arrow in the bottom right corner and click it to open the font settings. A window will pop up. Look for the box that says Superscript, check it, and click OK. Your number 2 is now perfectly formatted as a square symbol. Now, let's look at method 2. This is the keyboard shortcut, and it is much faster. Just like before, type your M and your 2, and highlight the number 2. Now, simply press and hold Ctrl, Shift, and the plus sign on your keyboard all at the same time. Instantly, the number 2 becomes a superscript. And that is it. 2 simple ways to type meters squared in PowerPoint. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to ClearTask for more simple, straight-to-the-point software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.